How to use import Received Invoice. To import Received Invoice into the system, go to Accounting, select Expenses, then Received Invoice, and then click Import. Download Excel format for your reference by clicking the Here button. Fill in correct information so that it will tally with the information on the page. Please take note that you have to make sure that all accounts involved in the transaction have been created in Chart of Accounts. Once you have done, save the Excel file. In OfficeCentral, upload the Excel file by clicking the Choose File button. Select whether you want to auto-approve all of the imported transaction or otherwise. To begin importing the data, click Import button on top page. Please note that if your data is more than 1000, the system will process the import in the background. You may only see the changes in database or results of imports after 24 hours. If you have choose Do not auto-approve the transaction, then after the import, you have to go to Transaction, My Location, and Active to approve all of the imported transactions. Thank you for watching.